What are you doing? Why are you sneaking up like that? What's up? What are you up to? Huh? Ricco? You know how I know you're up to something? Because you try to act all cute. Right? So what did you do? Ricco? What did you do? Huh? What were you up to? Tell Mommy, what did you do? What did you do? Do you want to give me kisses? Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Oh, can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. So cute. Give me a kiss. You're so cute. You're so cute. Riccolino, why are you so cute? Huh? Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? You're so cute. How do you do the boop? Boop. How do you do the boop? No, baby. How do you do the boop? Boop. Nope. That's not the boop. How do you do the boop? You're so silly. You gotta go to bed. It's bedtime, okay? It's bedtime. Okay? Yes. Gotta go to bed. Okay, give everybody kisses and say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye. Why do you have to scream when you say bye-bye? Say bye.